never an intimate gathering. We have family and friends, and what I affectionately call, we take in strays. I'm an only child, and Wells only has one sister, so you would think we wouldn't have a lot of family, and we do have lots of friends who gather with us. And then if I have a design client that might be in town and doesn't have a place to go on Thanksgiving, we always invite them. So we always have a large Thanksgiving gathering, usually that necessitates putting a table in the master bedroom, which is also rather astonishing to guests.